This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Position the jack head under the centre of the front subframe, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the reinforced section of the door sill flange on each side. With the engine cold, slowly unscrew the radiator cap, allowing any residual pressure to escape. Position a suitable container under the radiator. Unscrew the radiator drain tap and allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the coolant has finished draining, refit and securely tighten the drain tap. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Set the heater controls to maximum heat, then add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the radiator. Periodically squeezing the radiator hoses to expel any trapped air. With the radiator filled, pull up the expansion tank filler cap and extract the old coolant. Add new coolant mixture to the tank to bring the level up to the min or low mark. Refit the filler cap to the tank, then securely refit the radiator cap. Start the engine and allow it to idle until it reaches normal operating temperature. Once the engine has warmed up, increase its speed to 2,500 rpm and hold it there for 5 minutes. Now increase engine speed to 3,000 rpm for 5 seconds, then allow it to return to idle. Repeat this procedure 4 times, then stop the engine and allow it to cool completely. Top up the coolant in the expansion tank to the full or max mark.